Hello, this is my video demonstration for task 8.1C. So this is the UML diagram. So to create this UML diagram in Lucidchart, I started by adding class boxes and each one divided into three sections. The class name at the top, the private fields in the middle using the minus sign, and the public methods at the bottom using the plus sign. So for example, the account class shows the name, string and balance decimal as private fields and deposit and withdraw as public methods. For relationships, I used hollow triangle arrows to show inheritance, and so deposit transaction, withdraw transaction and transfer transaction all point up to the abstract transaction class. The bank class connects to transaction with has association, since it holds a list transaction, and to account similarly with a list account. So now the relationship between the diagram and the code is essentially a direct connection. So every inheritance allow in Lucidchart becomes transaction in the C# class definition. Every field in the diagram becomes a private member variable in the code, and every method signature in the diagram becomes an actual method, like execute being declare virtual in transaction and override in each subclass. So the UML diagram wasn't just a drawing or a diagram that we made on the Lucidchart. It was a blueprint that made the class structure clear before a single piece of written line of codes did. So like this is the code, which absolutely mirrors what I already had shown in the UML diagram. So this is the entire code that has been written, and the UML being at the top. So this itself explains everything, which will be further demonstrated in the form of code in the task. And these are the few questions which were to be answered, like how we represent the classes, fields, methods and relationships, as I just told, and then the relationship between the diagram and the code, then how UML is a solution before writing the code, and what would be the advantages of doing this. So this all has been covered in this task, and that's all from my side. Thank you.